Hello Gucci's team, and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone have been doing great. Thank you for tuning on to watch. Today I share with you porridge jam recipe. Porridge jam recipe is one specially known food in Nigeria, and this is not a delicacy you can see in any store. Porridge jam recipe is always seen in great occasions like white weddings and so on. And you must be sure that great people are gracing the occasion. So I want to show you a simple way of how you can make your porridge yam recipe and you will be sure to enjoy your porridge yam. Porridge yam is an expensive meal and cannot be commonize in any occasion. People rush to eat porridge jam when they see porridge jam in any occasion. If you really want to know how to make a delicious porridge jam, stay till the end of all of this. I have atarodo. I love green chilies in my meal, so I'm going to use green chilies, scotch bonnet, tomatoes, some shombo. I'm going to use some shombo in replacement of my tatashe, okay? If you have tatashe, you can also go in. I'll add ginger, I'll add garlic. Everything depends on what you like in your meal. So I'm going to blend all of this for this yam porridge recipe. I'll clean this up and blend it and keep it aside. So I've gone in with my onion, ginger and garlic. I'm going to blend all of this together. Blend, blend, blend. So go on and add your peppers. I want to steam my pepper for a little bit. I'm going to do it the old school way. So go ahead and cook down your peppers. Once your pepper is cooked down, you can add oil and start adding everything. Just watch out and see how delicious this yam porridge is going to be. Our peppers has been cooking for about 10 minutes. Don't allow it to cook for more than 10 minutes or thereabouts. You still need the liquid because this is porridge yam. You don't want your peppers to get dry. Trust me, this is the best method for this porridge yam recipe. Go in with your palm oil like so. I have often told you there are ways you make your meals and you will enjoy it like our mothers do. Cover it up, allow it to cook for about 60 seconds before you introduce your yam. That way, it's going to give you a very beautiful taste. Trust me, the way you go about your food depends on how the taste will come out to be. At this point, remember I haven't added anything like salt, this seasoning or that seasoning. Let me tell you, the secret of this porridge jam is you cooking it as natural as it is. Close it up, allow it to come together. This is our sauce after 60 seconds. This is the best way you can go about this deliciousness. Clean up your yam and wash it nicely. Get it ready. Here is my yam. It's been nicely washed. I'm going to go in and introduce my yam. The best way to go about it is this way. Please do me well to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. So add it in like so. Now you can go in with your Maggi. Thank you all so much for always tuning on to watch. At this point, go in with your Maggi, go in with your crayfish. If you like crayfish, go in with your salt, cover it and allow it to cook. Let's go in with our salt. Add your salt to your preference. Don't eat too much salt. Crayfish will infuse a lot of deliciousness to this, so go ahead. Add your crayfish. I'm going to go in with some water from the blender. Just be careful so you don't add too much water. Thanks to those who say I make cooking easy. Just cover it up and give it like 20 minutes to cook. So cover it up. Give it like 20. Look at that deliciousness. Hubby is waiting for this. My husband is already waiting. Look at how beautiful that porridge yam is looking. You can add potatoes, you can add plantain. You can also chop vegetables into it if you like. I don't want to add any of these things. I want to enjoy this porridge jam like this. So next thing I'm going to go in with is my fish. Oh my goodness, look at that. You can do this for Christmas. Your family will love it, definitely. Please turn on the notification bell so you get these beautiful uploads. If you don't have fish, it is still okay. It's optional, you don't really need to add. Because I have some mackerel fish, that's why I've gone ahead to add. You can add banla fish, debone it and just add it in. Mash your yam in. You can decide not to. My yam is coming nicely. I want to see pieces of yam. I don't want to mash everything in. Oh my goodness. Guys, just look at this deliciousness. Guys, my kitchen smells amazing. My kitchen smells so divine. I feel like I want to do a party right now that people will just say, Madam, make us porridge yam. And I will just introduce this recipe. This is a fantastic recipe. Go and try this. I am teaching you this free of charge. I'm not charging you for you to do this recipe for your family this Christmas and enjoy it. Let's eat. Let's dish. Let's dish, guys. My plate is ready. Let's dish. See how yum. This is so yum. Let's garnish. This is how we are eating this deliciousness. I've often told you guys my husband loves a lot of vegetables, so this is how we are going to be eating it with cucumber. You can eat with celery, you can eat with carrots, you can eat with whatever vegetable of your choice. Sometimes I steam vegetable and add, but this is how he likes it for today. So you can go ahead and do this for Christmas. Your family will love it. Look at that. Look at that presentation to your husband. Kindly give this video a massive thumbs up if you love it. Served my husband. This is my own. Guys, this is so good. Look at that yam. Yam porridge is good, man. Look at that yam. Oh. You just be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Thank you all so much. Guys, this is a special way you can give your family a beautiful treat this Christmas season, and always they will appreciate you, especially for your husband for working too hard. This will be very delightful, you know. If people ask me to make this delicacy for any occasion, trust me, it's going to be very expensive because I took time to make this for my family. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please give this video a massive thumbs up. Thank you so very much, and God bless you. Ciao, ciao.